Hi lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ademidu, a beauty stylist based in Nigeria. I make natural and relaxed hair, and you can also follow me on Instagram. It's your girl Ademidu, and on Facebook Ademidu. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's grow this channel and have more views, and like my video, give it a thumbs up, share my video. So this video is all about how to make Fulani braids, knotless braid at the back, white cornrows at the front. So we are using the pre-stretched Xpression in 3x. So we are almost done with this knotless braid. I've made series of this Fulani braid, but decided to make a video of one, and I still have more bookings for this style. My client is a student client and she wants something that is in vogue, so she chose this Fulani braids. So we are moving on to the cornrows, adding our beautiful style on the cornrows. So just stay tuned and watch this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's grow this channel more. We need more subscribers, and without you, who am I? So please help me by subscribing to my YouTube channel.
Years later.
Voila, this is the outcome of the hair, and it really take a lot of my time because it has length. And I was very tired to create content, to make more videos, because it really make me tired, I would say precisely. So this is it. So please don't forget to like my video, share, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe. Let's grow this channel more. Thank you guys.